Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Dylan. Welcome to UYS Built. On this channel we build cars. It's going to be an absolute blast showing you guys around and showing what we will be working on this year. So hopefully this is something that does interest you, and hopefully you'll stick around. So let's show you the cars. Okay, so what's the plan with the Beetle, you might wonder? So the plan is to modernize the interior and user interface of the car. So power steering, aircon, electric windows. It's already got the Golf seats in it, so that already is a big upgrade from the old springy seats that come with the young Beetles. It's got disc brakes all around, so no more drums. So at least you'll have working brakes. The motor's completely been rebuilt, so it's got a spicy W100 angle cam installed into it. It's got brand new heads with OSVAT valves, new rings, new bottom end bearings, new main bearings, new seals. I made it fuel injected as well, so no more carburetors. So I've got a Holley EFI kit on it, and I just fabricated my own intake manifold, and it just works. It runs so good. It sounds amazing. It's very loud. I'll try and find a clip and just chuck it in there for you guys. But yeah, stick around. It's going to be a big year, big projects happening with the Beetle and the Patrol. The Patrol's also getting engine put into it, interior completely redone, respray. Yeah, lots happening. as you can see, both cars need a lot of work done to them, especially the old Beetle behind me. But it's going to be an absolute journey to take you guys with me and show you around, show you what I've got in store. So a lot of fabrication, a lot of DIY, a lot of engine swaps, painting, rust repairs. Yeah, it's all happening here. So stick around. Thanks for tuning in. Share this around. Consider subscribing. Share it around with your friends, and I will highly appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.